Have you noticed that your car is consuming more fuel or running erratically? The cause might lie in a small but crucial component, the manifold absolute pressure MAP sensor. Acting as the eyes of the engine control unit, ECU, this sensor helps regulate the air-fuel mixture and ensures efficient engine performance. Let's explore how this sensor works, why it fails, and how to diagnose potential issues. The manifold absolute pressure MAP sensor is a key component of the engine management system. Its primary function is to monitor changes in air pressure inside the intake manifold, which fluctuates based on engine speed and load. The data from the sensor helps the ECU regulate the air-fuel mixture, ensuring optimal engine performance, fuel efficiency, and stability. An engine is the main consumer of air in a vehicle. For efficient combustion, the air-fuel mixture must have an exact balance. The more air entering the engine, up to a certain limit, the better the combustion, leading to fewer harmful emissions. The MAP sensor assists in determining the air pressure inside the intake manifold and transmits this information to the ECU. Unlike a mass airflow or MAF sensor, the MAP sensor calculates absolute pressure, considering the difference between atmospheric pressure and the pressure inside the intake manifold. The sensor continuously sends signals to the ECU, which processes the data along with air temperature readings to adjust fuel injection and control the fuel mixture. In turbocharged engines, the MAP sensor also measures the boost pressure created by the compressor, ensuring accurate air intake regulation. In some cases, the MAP sensor is integrated with the air temperature sensor in a single unit. The MAP sensor consists of the following main components: atmospheric and vacuum chambers, a diaphragm separating the chambers, strain gauges and an electronic circuit operational amplifier temperature compensator, pressure measurement unit, aluminum base, outer and inner casing. The atmospheric chamber of the sensor is connected to the air intake system. The diaphragm contains strain gauges and an electronic chip. When the intake pressure changes, the diaphragm bends, altering the resistance of the strain gauges. This change modifies the electrical signal sent to the ECU, which then calculates the intake pressure. Since the MAP sensor plays a crucial role in engine management, its failure can cause serious issues. Common symptoms of a faulty MAP sensor include the smell of fuel in exhaust gases, increased fuel consumption due to incorrect air pressure readings, white smoke from the exhaust pipe, unstable engine idle speed, jerking when accelerating or shifting gears, reduced engine power and poor vehicle dynamics. Since these symptoms may also be caused by other malfunctions, such as a faulty mass airflow sensor or spark plugs, proper diagnostics at a service station are recommended. Some of the most common reasons for MAP sensor failure include broken or corroded wiring connections, damage to the diaphragm or strain gauges, clogged intake pipes, malfunctioning air temperature sensor if integrated with the MAP sensor, vacuum hose leaks. MAP sensors generally have a limited lifespan and are not repairable. In some cases, cleaning the electrical contacts and removing oxidation may restore functionality. However, if the issue lies within the electronic circuit or the diaphragm, replacing the sensor is the only solution. To ensure longevity, it is advisable to use original or high-quality replacement parts, as cheap alternatives may fail within a short period. The MAP sensor plays a key role in maintaining engine stability by ensuring the correct air-fuel ratio. A faulty sensor can lead to performance issues and increased fuel consumption. Regular diagnostics and the use of high-quality components will help prevent engine problems and ensure optimal operation.